If you're using Google Whisk to generate AI images, you already know how powerful it is. But here's the problem. You're still generating images one prompt at a time. Type a prompt, wait, generate, download, repeat. And if you're working with reference images, upload reference image, generate, upload again, generate again. It's slow, it's repetitive, and it doesn't scale. Sound familiar? Let's fix that. This is Whisk Automator, a Chrome extension built to automate bulk AI image generation inside Google Whisk. No more one-by-one prompting, no more re-uploading the same reference image, no more repetitive manual workflow. Once installed from the Chrome Web Store, Whisk Automator opens in a clean side panel alongside Google Whisk. From the side panel, you can control your entire automation workflow without interrupting your creative process. Whisk Automator supports two powerful modes: text-to-image mode. Generate multiple images from multiple prompts automatically inside Whisk. Image-to-image mode. Use a reference image to guide your generations and maintain consistent style. Now, instead of running single prompts manually, you can add multiple prompts at once. Queue them for batch processing. In image-to-image mode, here's the powerful part in the latest update. You can select your reference image once and apply it across all prompt areas. That means no more re-uploading the same reference image for every variation. Just choose your reference image one time, queue your prompts, manage everything inside one single queue. Before starting, configure your workflow settings. Enable or disable auto download. Select a custom download folder. Create detailed CSV reports. Enable precise mode for controlled outputs. Set custom time delay between prompts. Choose aspect ratio. Define images or videos per prompt. Click Start Generation. It feeds prompts automatically into Google Whisk. Processes them sequentially with smart timing. Maintains queue control until completion. Automatically downloads every result into your custom folder. Logs detailed data into your CSV file. Instead of upload reference, generate, upload again, repeat. Now it's select once, could queue prompts, start automation, done. The extension runs prompts with natural timing to stay within Whisk limits while continuously generating. Every image is automatically downloaded into your selected folder. No manual downloads, no repetitive steps. Just set it once. Press start and let Whisk Automator handle everything. Whisk Automator is perfect for designers creating variations at scale, content creators producing thumbnails and social visuals, stock contributors generating large image sets, marketing teams are testing multiple creative concepts, e-commerce brands are building consistent product visuals. If you're serious about scaling inside Google Whisk, manual generation simply won't keep up. Whisk Automator transforms Whisk from a creative tool into a scalable AI image engine. Stop generating one by one, stop re-uploading reference images, start automating your text-to-image and image-to-image workflow. Install Whisk Automator today and scale your AI image creation faster than ever. Subscribe for more useful extensions.